coolest place ever. Hashtag Tom.
Hashtag me and Raka.
Okay, that's a little bit too far. Anyways, yeah, so we have our secret hideout. Super
I'm
cool.
recording too.
It's really big. And then you have this walkout spot, which is
Where are we going?
we're staying here. I'm just showing them.
Yeah, it's like a really cool place.
Yeah, see, it's really big. Yeah, it's really big, but it's also in this storage room thing. So then you walk in and you see Raka, the teddy bear, and Jerry. Tom.
I'm gonna choke him.
Oh yeah, there's
Choke
Tom.
Raka. Ooh.
And my seat, my beautiful seat.
No, sorry, it's Raka. Raka's the boss.
Raka, I'm gonna punch you across the face. He freaking stole my seat. Raka stole my seat.
Oh yeah.
Fight. Why was I punching like that? Okay. Anyways, we're gonna make a huge pile of stuffed animals, and Raka's the base. Stop! Don't. Okay. Huge
No, the
pile
camera
of
fell.
stuffed animals. Okay, here we go. Starting with Raka. Well, what she says is Raka. That's perfect.
Oh no, you can see me.
And then you can face plant on it. Anyways.
No stuff on Raka.
Oh. Oh, whoa. Hey!
Raka wants to kiss me too.
No. Okay, that's enough. Bye.